Hey guys, welcome you all in a new video, and this video is totally dedicated to those customers whose phone is locked due to forgotten PIN pattern and password locked, and they have tried a lots of time to unlock their smartphone but still not they are not success to unlock their smartphone. So watch this video till the end. Your smartphone, I mean to say any kind of a smartphone like Samsung, Vivo, Oppo, Realme, any kind of Android smartphone can be unlocked with the help of this video. I mean to say you don't have to visit any service center, you don't need any computer application, and the main thing is that you don't have to pay a single penny for this method. Okay, but before starting this method, you will have to charge your phone at least 30%. Otherwise, whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted at the time of using this unlocking method, because this method is known as no data loss unlocking method. I mean to say, in this method your phone's all the data like photo, videos, and different type of documents will be remain as it is as in your smartphone. So let's begin this method. Before starting this method, charge your phone at least 30%. The first thing is that, and the second thing is that your phone's all the network should be switched off. Okay, so after this, simply you will have to switch off your Android smartphone. Okay, and for this, simply you will have to press the power button and switch off. Now after when your phone's complete switch off, you will have to switch your phones to the hard reset mode, and for this you will have to press the power button and the volume down button at the same time, and you would have to press and keep hold until your phone's hard reset display not on. Okay, so press the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Now when you will get the logo of your Android smartphone, simply you will have to release the volume down button and hold the volume up button. Now after this you will get a such type of hard reset mode page. Okay, now you will get a two option. The first one is reboot your device. I mean to say, it means to say if you click on this reboot option, your phone will switch on again. Okay, I mean to say your phone will restart again, but you will have to go with this the second option, that is recovery mode option. But here your phone's touch won't work, so simply you will have to use your volume down and up button to go to the up and down in on this page. Okay, so I will click on the volume down button, and for select this option you will have to press the power button and click on it. Now after this, let's check what space coming here. Now after this you will get a such type of display. You will get a three option here. The first one is showing here install software, the second option is showing here clear data, and the third one is your check system. But you can see here this install software will work only on online formatting method, but you will have to use their clear data option. Okay, simply you will have to click on this clear data option, because here the display will work and touch will work here. Okay, simply you will have to click on this, and when you will click on this, you will get a two type of option. The first one is your clear cache, and the second one is your clear all data. So if you go with this clear data option, your phone's all the data like photos, videos, and other documents will be deleted. So you will have to go with this clear cache option, and you will have to click on this OK. It will take some time, so you will have to continue click here. Now you can see here my phone's all the cache data has been removed. Now after this you will have to simply go with the return option, and again you will have to go with the back button. Okay, now after this, here you will get a two option. The first one is shut down and the second one is restart, but you don't have to go with this restart option. Simply you will have to go here with the shutdown option. Simply you will have to click on shutdown, and here you will have to confirm to switch off your smartphone. Now the smartphone is getting switch off. When it's complete switch off, you will have to simply switch on your smartphone with the help of power button. You will have to press and hold to switch on your smartphone here. Now you can see here the smartphone is switched on. Now here, remove here. Now you can see here still now here pattern lock or pin lock or password lock is showing here. So don't worry at all. You don't have to worry here. Simply you will have to use some USSD code to remove your pattern lock or password lock or pin lock from the background. Simply you will have to click on this emergency option and you will have to dial some USSD code. The first USSD code is star hash 812 and hash. After feeding this USSD code, you will have to call on this USSD code. At the first time when you will call here, it will show you call not sent, so don't worry at all. Simply ignore this with the OK button. Now after this you will have to go with the back button and you will check here, you will get an option of camera. Simply you will have to click on camera option and switch on this camera option. Okay, now when it's switch on your camera, simply you will have to take 3 photos of camera. 1, 2 and 3. Now after this, simply you will have to go with the back button. Now still now you can see here pattern lock is showing, so don't worry at all. Simply you will have to again click on this emergency option. Now here the another USSD code which will remove your phone's all the FRP locks. I mean to say your phone's all the FRP will be bypassed here, and the second USSD code is star hash 813 and hash. Again after feeding this USSD code, you will have to call on this USSD code and ignore with the OK here. Now after this, simply you will have to go with the back button. Now your phone's all the work has been done. Now simply you will have to follow some important step here to remove your screen pattern lock, pin lock or password lock here. Okay, so simply you will have to draw some pattern here until you get a option of forget password. Okay, you will have to continue, draw pattern here. Cancel and again draw. Now you can see here you will get an option of forget here. Okay, simply you will have to click on this forget option. Now you will get a two type of question here. Simply you will have to answer this question. So I am going to feed here. What I am going to feed here, you will have to feed this at the same process. Okay, you will have to simply type here remove, and the second one is password here. Okay, now after when you will click on this verify, you can see here your phone's pin, pattern or password will be removed. Simply here, simply you will get a such type of option here to use new pin, pattern or password lock. So you may use your new pin, pattern and password here. So if you don't want to use here new pin, pattern, password here, simply you will have to click on this none option. Now you can see here the Android smartphone is completely unlocked, and the main thing is that whatever data in my smartphone and the application which were in my smartphone as it is as in my smartphone. So this trick really works, and if your smartphone unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video, and if your smartphone could not unlock with the help of this video, then make us comment which type of issues you're facing in this process. Our team will quick response on your issues. Thank you so much.